Now that we've leveled it and fashioned the nailers to the wall, we're going to want to start dressing it basically. So we're going to put the adjustable shelves in. We need to put the closet rods in and the drawer box all in. So first we'll start with the closet rods. So with that, we're going to have some oval holders for the rods. And these rods are already cut to fit. So you just stick those in the hole. And then we're going to find the rod. If this opening is 15 inches, the rod itself is going to be 14 3/4. So you'll find that rod and you'll mount that in there. We have another one. Another thing to note is this unit here is 12 inches deep and we use those front holes. This unit is actually 15 deep, so we're going to use this middle holes because that puts it at the same distance of what the 12 is. If you use the front holes, your shirts and your clothing that's hanging are going to just keep getting out further from the wall, and it's a waste of space of where your closet's at. So we're going to put those in the middle holes on the center section. And the closet rod for that is here. And then the last section is a double hang. That will go there and there. We just got done closet rods. Now I'm going to mount the adjustable shelves. This is the only center unit that has adjustable shelves. So there's actually 2 shelves, which is going to be 3 spaces. So what you do, if you want them evenly spaced, you can put them anywhere you want. But to evenly space, a nice way to do that is to measure that distance. It's 33. We're going to divide that by 3 open sections, which would be 11. And then you just kind of use that for a guide to mount your shelf pins in there. Our shelf pins have a little dowel hole that go up into the shelf. The bottom of the shelf I'll show you has a hole in it, and so they drop into it, and I'll show you why we do that here. So we'll mount these in at about 11 inches. And just the front holes and the back holes get this one. And I'm just going to come from the bottom and do 11 here also. Sometimes if you just look even with it, you can kind of line it up on each side so you don't have to tape measure every one of them. Like that. Now I'll take my shelves. You can see there's a hole in the bottom of them. And so with that hole, you're going to take that, slide it in there, and these pins will drop down into those holes. You just kind of got to get them lined up and just kind of tap it, but then it can't go anywhere and it locks itself in place and it makes it a lot nicer. So in case you're pulling sweaters off, it won't pull it and fall down on you. You put this other one in here. And that's how you put in adjustable shelves.